The product P is, there is a reactant which is an unsaturated ketone. It is treated with sodium borohydride and methyl alcohol. So, sodium borohydride is a reducing agent. It reduces aldehydes to primary alcohols and ketones to secondary alcohols. But it can reduce only carbon-oxygen bond. Sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride reduces only C double bond O, but not C double bond C. Means unsaturation will not get affected with sodium borohydride. So what is there here? This compound should be converted to, what is the functional group here? Ketone. Ketone should be converted to secondary alcohol. This double bond should not get affected. So you will get unsaturated alcohol. So if you look at the first option, in the first option it is shown as carbon-carbon double bond is also reduced. So wrong. And there is no reduction of carbonyl group. So first option is wrong. Again I am repeating. In the first option, ketonic group is not affected. Only double bond is reduced. So that option is ruled out. In option B, unsaturation is not affected, but ketone is reduced to secondary alcohol. So this option is correct. In this option C, what is happening? Unsaturation is reduced, carbon-carbon double bond is reduced, and C double bond O is also reduced. As I told you, sodium borohydride reduces only C double bond O, but not C double bond C. So this option is also ruled out. So your answer is option B.